We fuck bitches from every nation, Asian and Caucasian, especially Jamaican, Guyanese and Bajan. I just fuck and open on it. Yeah, I woke up in and open on it.
Kill it. Every ghetto youth, yeah. If you don't make money, then you don't make sense. Pounds and US, no pence. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Unicorn is threatening to sue the landlady accused of badly beating him. The dancehall DJ and his landlady had an altercation on April 29th because Unicorn apparently owed 2,000 Jamaican dollars for his electricity bill.
The lady just asked me what happened again and I tell her how she knocked me in my face with background and youth hold on me and tell me so don't put myself in a trouble and she go around the youth and stab me in my head. So them tell her say $30,000 she must pay such and such a time. She'll go doing that jail case there. And eventually them tell her say she must pay me for me down payment and she said a month end because she talked to rent board. So when I come outside the family them start cuss me and say my wicked and if I move and go and nobody must talk to me and one bad thing. And all know them now remember say my doctor bill don't pay and I got to cut a lawsuit because I have to pay for my personal injury and such.
What the deal? The court has lifted Ninja Man's curfew order, giving the DJ the green light to perform. But Ninja Man's murder trial was put off until October 7 because the court was dealing with another case.
When we went to the court today, it put off because them have a part-term at a trial again, so them couldn't start my case today. So them just put it off. But right now, all curfew drop me, I'm going to still have to report at the station them. So I don't have no more curfew, no 6 to 6, no nothing. Anyway, stage show there, anyway dance there, any day, any minute, any second, any hour, any time. We're ready to lock it down.
What the deal?
Dancehall artist Flippa Mafia has denied rumors that he's dating fellow dancehall reggae artist Alaine. The rumors started circulating on websites since the two artists made an appearance in Bugle's No Compatible music video in which Alaine played the role of Flippa's girlfriend.
Me can't believe how you eye them dry. That's why you end up with a bag of man and wine, yo. Cause you a wait on them for mine, yo. Try no last, cause I know me I go find you. Swear me no give a damn if bull line, yo. Maybe me woulda there with you, but guess why it no healthy? Because me know say it to no help me. You want hype up me, laid back. You want load up me, don't play that.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out the islandvibes.com for the latest music, news and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
Moggla squad, me not mad enough. We can't stop people from talk. Cause when the important people are gonna talk about you. You see me, I make my haters be my motivators. I care zero. So let them talk when they want to talk. Skilly Bengo.